If you're having issues charging your Quansheng UV-K6, this also applies to the UV-K5 8s. Most of the newer USB chargeable Quansheng radios. USB ports here with the stock battery, it's charged through a port that's on the radio. A lot of people just try to plug in their current phone charger or some outlet chargers, and it won't charge the phone up at all. When you plug it in, it should light up a little blue light up at the top that lets you know that the battery is being charged. A big issue is people will use USB-C charger. Most new chargers like these bricks, they require sort of a handshake between the device and the charger, and it'll expects when you plug it in the device to send a message to the charger that it should start sending it power. These don't have anything that will send it back to the charger, so your charger won't realize that it needs to send that power, and it won't start charging your battery. If you use a cable like this that has data through it, it won't let you charge at all. So the cable that comes with most of these radios, it's a sort of a dumb cable. It only works with power and it doesn't send any information back and forth. So if you use a cable that's doesn't work for data, just for power, you can use it with any power supply, and when you plug it in, should work just fine. Just plug it into the side here, and that little blue light should come up on there for you with it. And if you unplug it, she cuts off. But if you look at the USB-C with a data information cable on it, when you go to plug that one in, that light won't come on. So you can either, if you still have to use this data cable, you need to use a charging brick that's a real old style that doesn't communicate with the device. That will work, but the easiest thing to do is just always keep a power only cable, and it'll still charge fine. And with those, you can use that non-data cable with any type of power brick, and it'll still charge your radio. See that blue light come on? Just leave it on. Your radio will pull the right amount of power it needs until it gets up to 80% of the battery charge. This type of setup will only go to 80% of your battery's charge just to protect the battery. You have to use the cradle to get up to 100% of a battery charge. And really, when you're hooked up this way, you really don't want to run the radio while you're plugged in. They actually warn you that it can cause damage to your radio. So hope that helps people that have been having issue to try to get it to charge. If you like the video, just like and subscribe, and I'll try to post a few more information videos. Thanks a lot.